Adjectives in Spanish. So, for example, the first one says happy. Happy in Spanish, you say feliz. Feliz. The next one says sad. Sad in Spanish, you say triste. Triste. Next, it says big. Big, you say grande. Grande. Next, it says small. Small, you say pequeño. Pequeño. Next, it says fast. Fast, you say rápido. Rápido. Next, slow. Slow, you say lento. Lento. Next, it says hot. Hot, it says caliente. Caliente. Next,